Good morning. Down here on the river. Thought I'd get out and show you some of nature. There's a fella, got him a kayak. Still just, oh, there's a little hole there for my animal. I thought I'd get out here in nature and talk a little bit. Wow, the river's way down right now. They got the floodgates open. Wow. Peace and love from this old boy down here in Alabama. Old Man River just keeps rolling along. This afternoon I was thinking about Job again. How that his latter end was greater than his beginning. Of course, you know all that he suffered and everything. All that Job suffered. But at the end of Job, in so many words, it says this. He turned the captivity of Job when he prayed for his friends. Those ungrateful, know-it-all church folks, friends of his, that knew it all. Thought they knew it all, excuse me. Job prayed for them. Why? Because at the end of the day, they were both sinners, But as soon as he prayed for his friends, now friends like that, who needs enemies? He turned the captivity of Job. His old acquaintances came back to him. And God restored twice as much of his wealth and gave him a new family. I don't know about the wife. I guess it's the same woman. A whole new, a lot more children, grandchildren after that, great-grandchildren. Fairest daughters and all, fairest granddaughters in all the land, But anyway, further thought on that is this. How in the world do you think that Job never thought about his other family? You think his mind didn't ever go back to those children that he loved before the great calamity that came to his house? I think he did, brothers and sisters. Then he lived 140 more years. Think about the miracle of doing that. God had to work something in his heart, something miraculous, to even want to live another 140 years. Missing his loved ones that had gone on before. Have you considered my servant Job? Anyway, just wanted to put that out there. The end of Job. Everybody just reads past that. See there what God did, But I'm saying this. God had to work something deep inside his heart to make him where he could make it another 140 years upon this earth. Peace and love down here in Alabama, brothers and sisters. Just that thought. on this little short video, I hope. There's somebody up there in a canoe or something, enjoying this afternoon. Oh, it's nice down here in Alabama now. It's cool breeze, not burning up, no insects, no to speak of, no mosquitoes anyway. Still the birds and the bees serenading. Mockingbirds are singing round the cabin door. Miss a Mississippi and you, dear. Yeah. I'll end this video and make another one. I'll make another video here in a little bit, but I just want to get that thought out there. I put this up as an answer to the first video about Job. Peace and love, this old boy down here in Alabama that never grew up.